Exhibit on another one. Oh, someone you know. You get who you go holo. It's not going to be who you know. Hey, that person who you know go turn to who you don't know. Una good evening. Welcome on Top Night Show. It's soft work.
Soft work. It's our work. Oh.
Whether or whether it's soft work.
It's our work.
From now, if you want to send us any tweet message, please use the hashtagging soft work. Hashtag soft work. It's our work. Now, why we there every day, 8 p.m. sharp on the dot? Our work is soft. Person go say, which kind of work this easy bit they do? Say, now to just play music.
It's enough to just play music.
But you don't know, there's talent in everything. Even a bricklayer you be, even if a painter, even if you
try
stand
make the
for,
work soft, make it soft.
You are standing on the roadside, you know. You are selling your market can be anything that you are selling. So everything you need talent for it to blow. If you don't have talent in everything, everything that you do, nothing is happening. And then some people some people they carry talent do bad thing. Person when carry talent do bad thing, what do they call it? Not be talent again now. Not out.
Not out.
On Top Show today, we go get two people inside our ring. Boxing ring, our ring to the left, to the right. To the left, we'll get two people who go sit down here, then to the right, we get one person who go sit down. And then we go enter market and enter talk. But may we first quick go market and come back. When we came back, I don't know what thing they do, people. If you think, they say, even as we say na soft work, if you don't get talent for something, please, we beg of you, don't even do it. If you know, say you cannot see the finish line or the end product of what you do, please and please, do not what? Do not try this at what? At home. Maybe go back and come back. Then I will give you the full gist.
Back guys.
If they say they leave me an easy bit, we'll not go talk for sure. We go just say, yo, come on, yo, keep on. Maybe one day we're supposed to do that thing. Maybe it will be dance nights.
Dance night.
We go plan dance nights.
They'll bring the come turn out, you know.
Anybody when we stop by, it's a nice show party. So we just do you know, and that dance gala it go be, but it go sweet now.
It will make sense, yeah.
So we go plan.
Like 10 minutes or 15
take
minutes.
Notes, that is it. We go off light, come put green, blue, red light where they do like this.
Oh, shit.
Those lights. Those disco lights where they do like this. I beg when I come back, show don't start to true. Hey, what's that the time when we say person decides say in one travel, you know all these people they find greener and redder pastures. They go and decide say this one say by crook or by crookest, whether or whether I must enter that plane, I must enter the green grass country. So know how he carry himself enter plane. He smuggle himself enter. When he enter there, first ask me how he take enter the plane.
How he take enter the plane?
Thank you for that very sweet question. Because when I fit no go, maybe one of our guests when sit down here, maybe if you look, I fit enter that back. Because now traveling back, in take enter. See and then now, a full grown man, where mama and papa born him, everything complete for him, but he can't squeeze himself, enter this kind of soon case. He say he must travel a South African border. Now South Africa he decide to go. Of all the countries where he entered there. After he comes still, he said, blood of God, I cannot come and go and kill myself. The devil is a liar, they are what? Daddy. He said, no, he no fit do am again. Now him boss suitcase open, come outside. Now they think I say, no how. Which tribe for Niger fit do this kind of thing? Sit down inside there, hold teeth, run for Sansa, no say. No say, no how. Pay no they kill anybody. Now yeah, I date till I reach where they go. Which time if I hear, maybe you go think of maybe you face me, I face you. Where be that? No, where be that Nedu place? P5.
Kakuri, P5.
If not Kakuri, P5 go that street. Maybe if you think say nah, face me, I slap you kind place. By the time you think of all your auntie and
where
your
they come from?
My brother, you
go
hold teeth. You go put leaf. You put leaf for mouth. Maybe people like, maybe Nedu, as we not say on this how many days. No, my brother. People like, maybe Nedu, you know. In a good way, you know, say, I got nothing but love, you know.
Nothing but love, you know.
for
respect
my one
on
and
it.
only Nedum. But, you know, I don't know which kind tribe for this Niger fit do that kind of thing. I dey think maybe... If we can do work Waibom. No, not a
I was saying
Waibom person.
Benin people, but they too like themselves.
No, Benin people, except the suitcase, they go Italo. Then.
Unless
but South
AC go
Africa,
inside the suitcase.
no, but who they go, you know, now, who they fool South Africa pass? Which of our people? It be like, our...
Look at think one set up in the fine.
Be like saying our Igbo brothers. I don't know. I'm just saying, young they can come more, but you don't know. It can be a worried person, it can be a person from the north, it can be anything. But if now you, we don't make all that effort, come enter suitcase. Why I go come out on the road? I never even reach where they go.
I think no, that thing take me.
No, you say who said you make you enter inside there?
maybe the plane can't reach somewhere now. They can't say they want transit, so maybe they refuel them. Are you there?
And so they're gonna push you out. They can suitcase. They can throw away.
Yeah.
Or just say, and they yell. I mean, when I join me, our guests don't sit down. They talk. Our two twins don't come back. Our yin and yang, baby. Yo. Una said now, na popular demand. Una said message saying no, they must come back. We want to see the twins. She and she, yin and yang, coffee and tea. Bread and sugar,
milk and sugar, bread and butter, beans and yam, beans and rice.
So now them now, Tracy and Chapman. Tracy and Treasure. Tracy and Treasure. They don't return. This now our girls with this. When I like their cloth, we dey discuss here say whether man go fit wear this cloth.
Yes.
I beg, I don't know who be Treasure. Anyone I call you
okay.
answer.
Now me be Chapman.
Stand up, make them look. Do a 360. Man go fit wear this cloth. That is it. Oh baby, that is it. Oh yos.
Yes,
Man go fit wear this cloth. That is it. Come on, baby.
Yes, sir.
You see, I don't tell them. I
baby.
say yin and yang.
Oh baby.
It's okay now. It's okay.
I want dash DJ this cloth. So if you go size and
I go
know,
wear
at least
I
you
go
go.
wear
How easy be go take wear this cloth now? Easy. How you go take
If
wear
you
this
wear
cloth
like
now?
kimono, is it kimono?
No, which
now?
one where you go
It's
wear
kimono
out
now.
of the two of
I
them?
prefer this one.
The pink one.
Preferred,
Yes,
but your
that.
hand no go pass.
No, I go fold them. If
Easy
you manage,
pink,
I go
pink
fold them.
color. Hey, easy pink color. You don't see yellow and green. You say
there's
pink.
Pink not the
There's
edge,
still
y'all.
green. It's
Can
green
you
and
green
red.
the hair?
This is orange and red.
This one where they done be waiting. Is it not pink? Oh,
I beg
you go do like say you don't
Leave
see
am,
the
I go dash
pink. Pink
am.
they look you for see pink here. You don't see pink. Now orange and
This
green.
thing
you
na
dey see.
pink. But guys, na red.
Pink not red now.
Guys, feel wear them.
I wear them, I go fold the hand reach somewhere here.
My brother, you go fit wear this cloth.
No, if you like something easy,
But
you
his
go like
clothes
this
is
kind
pink
cloth.
now.
It's
No,
clothes
my own
not
are red
pink.
though, my own no be pink. I don't be like easy bit though. Now people go like this kind cloth.
Oh, my people. Now our poet for inside studio sit down. So his name is Seyi Shalom. Now what name be that?
I beg make I clap for myself.
I beg he will sing poem for us.
Wait, now your papa name be Shalom.
Oh, no be my papa name. Oh. It be like say that.
Now guy name where you give yourself.
Now that name where God give me.
No. What's the name where you carry enter this earth like this?
I don't carry any name come this earth. I beg go.
Oh, well, okay. Make we rephrasing it.
Okay.
Which kind name your mommy and your daddy give you when you born? Your full name. When they your passport. Surname, name, other names.
You know if I don't travel before. You don't know if I be like that guy where try enter box.
Ongwa, your birth
That man
certificate.
resemble you. I think say na you. I think say na him.
Ah, no, that one white. Me
Your
and the black.
birth certificate.
Okay.
Waiting there.
And the last time where I check,
Eh.
I first see Seyi, come see Moses, follow the team, knock together, come form my name, Seyi Moses.
Okay.
Seyi Moses, where you from? Which kind of name be Moses? What be the other name? What be Seyi Moses? Who they be Seyi? When you know be Agene Kwaibo?
Now my son name you want answer, but be na my second
All name, all your
name.
name.
Okay, my name na Alabi Seyi Moses.
Okay, Alabi.
Seyi Alabi is a certain name, you know. Seyi Shalom, but it's okay. You know, everything that move you to your permanent
You know,
site
say if
in
your
the
mama papa born
administration.
you go born yourself again.
Yes,
And here I
so
come say make
that
I
is born.
born
Yes,
myself, come name
you
myself.
born again.
As you take name them, Chapman.
Correct.
And here I be Seyi Shalom.
My show name na Chapman. Tracy Chapman.
Tracy
Okay.
the Chapman. Oh, wow. Okay. Tracy the Chapman. Okay, before, you know, say these ones, we know them, and we they come to them. But you say you be poet.
Yeah.
Wetin be poet? Una wey dey talk, they write love story. They write love letter and
Not
things.
the only love story be
My
poetry.
fellow writer don't you remember now? Say they like write. Put for box.
Now why we bring and come? Because we know say,
He
you
said
know.
today na box be mentioned.
Copy you na.
Is it your box?
That guy won't travel with
My
box.
brother, is it your box?
Don't be my box.
Hey,
no.
hey, leave it. Leave the
Okay,
box
okay.
for
I
us.
don't leave him. I don't leave the box. I beg na passport I want. I don't want enter box.
Okay, so how you dey? Wetin be the cocoa? This poem, this wetin you dey write about? First, anybody fit write poem? I want
Okay.
to think so.
Yeah.
But wetin you dey write about in your now one theme or different kind things wey you dey write inside the poem?
Well, I did do any kind of poetry.
My brother, there's any kind is no kind. Ah,
Well, I have a dominant. The one way be say, the one way be say,
I'm
no.
learning.
Make I bring am.
dominant. You supposed to do recessive. You think we don't go
I know they do
school?
biology.
It's okay. No, you speak dominant. You think we don't go
The
school?
thing just come. I don't
If
even
you want
understand how I
us to
take
speak
speak am.
English, yeah, me and Easy Bit, we
Ah,
will
he
buff
go
you,
round,
floor
he go
you.
round.
No, easy bit own now for ne. My own na local.
We go
English.
speak all the English. They do English join. So you know that, you know.
You don't know.
Yes, we are equipped.
Okay.
So which one they dominant now?
Na gospel. I'm a gospel poet.
Eh?
Yeah.
They are calling you from heaven.
I don't even understand.
Unknown
I don't know
caller.
where they found it. It be like that guy who enter box one die, they'll call the call. The guy they find rescue. I don't understand.
Okay, so why you they write gospel
Poetry.
poetry? Mm.
Well,
What's in gospel poetry? No be Bible verses.
no, don't be only.
I go
say
learn
Bible
from man
verses.
today. I never hear
So
gospel
I never,
poetry
in fact,
before
I'm
my
going to
life.
wait first. Maybe by the time we watch one or two things from you, we go understand them very
All
well.
right, no problem.
Okay, they say this Seyi, Shalom, heaven, peace. When sit down here, he get where he go do one or two things. So make we see him. Maybe when we come back, our eye go clear on top this your matter. Yeah, it's okay. It's a good thing.
Even if Katim no clap for me, make I clap for myself.
My
We are
brother,
still seller.
yeah,
This one now.
you are very harsh.
Call
Oh.
seller.
Yeah, me. So this thing you dey talk and where this kind of thing where you dey talk? Where you dey talk inside church?
Not only in churches, gatherings, events, receptions for
When you
wedding
talk and
receptions
finish,
all
how
that.
people they be?
Well, sometimes sober, sometimes
Mostly sober.
sometimes very, very happy and overwhelmed.
Woohoo!
Depends on the
kind
one
of.
you presented.
I don't dey speak
Because
too much
this one-
English. It depends on wetin I dey present. So if na wedding reception, you know.
They pay you money for this kind of thing. Wey they do.
Ah, man, don't suffer. Make I no go there.
Because I'm thinking. So you get any other work where you dey do apart from this work?
No, this is what I do.
So now
Wetin
your
I dey
soft
do
work
be
be this.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want try be like Easy Beat. No, say Easy Beat na dynamic. I dey always
I don't know. Leave my easy beat for. Is it your easy beat?
na we our Easy Beat.
Our easy bit.
So easy bit.
Na Wazobia
our own.
Easy Beat.
Our Easy Beat.
All of us. You know how many people they like am from my side? Me, number one, I like am.
I mean, know how you dey like Camo. Please, oh. No, you can say, President of US.
I no talk am more. Now you talk that one now.
Now Shalom talk.
So, if you don't bring money, why you dey, you know? Why? You know?
Well, you know, say you talk am before. Say if you know be your talent, no be easy.
Eh,
So I don't see the end of the road. I know say one day
That's good.
I go.
one
I go smile.
one day you go better. That kind of something.
Yeah. So now that waiting they keep me. Where they go? Now they push me. Now my driving force be that.
It's okay. Now your bicycle be
Now
that.
my bicycle be that.
That's
See.
good.
Nne,
Keep it up.
what's
Yeah,
your
thank you.
bicycle?
Passion.
the move
Passion
like
is
to
the
do.
passion, yeah.
The passion.
As
they
the
carry
thing
us
they
go.
push am, just like
You go
that
talk
time they tell you
passion
say
for pidgin.
something they come
Talk
from my
passion
head.
for pidgin.
The
I
passion
said
now.
the thing they
What is
push
the passion
am.
for pidgin?
Passion. Is it your passion?
Na passion na champon.
Na the champon they carry her go.
The twins will come show 2 days. Not be yesterday, I be 2 days.
For Monday.
Some days ago, they come talk about, hello, how are you? Unexpected call.
Unknown caller, mystery caller.
All join. Unknown caller, mystery caller. The premiere will take place this weekend.
This Sunday.
This Sunday for Silverbird Galleria,
Yes.
4 p.m.
Yes. You pass here. You pass first class material. She passed to well. She not chop her certificate.
It's me.
She not chop her school
All of us
fees.
here, that's our brain sharp.
I see
Don't even used to try us.
Mention easy bits too.
Yes, I
She
said all
remember
of us.
everything.
All of us. You said you are us, all of us.
Yes.
So let us maybe talk about other things we don't do apart from the last production where you do. How long before we can bring mystery color, unknown color?
Okay.
Oh, joy.
Fashion police. That one. Now that one come before this unknown color.
How long?
Even they just put them for market, for DVD market,
Okay.
just last month. So now it's fresh in the market. And even for YouTube, they put them there about maybe 4 or 5 months ago. So the thing don't accumulate viewers, a lot of views for Fashion Police.
So the
So
thing
make I just say, give and take for 6 months now. And this another one don't join.
So now you
This
say
unknown
market
color
sell
don't
well for fashion police for now.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes, make I talk to you.
That's why I like
Make I
you.
no lie.
Yes, because we say the truth and nothing but the truth.
I go bring tight for this altar.
Child, okay. When we go market, yours very small. When we come back, we go play one of their official trailers.
Yes,
Trailers
so-
mean yours a little bit of waiting you go see inside film.
Okay,
They
no
come
be
back on top
gongoro
night show.
trailer,
No,
no
no be that kind one.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.